so I already did my brows and I'm gonna go ahead and use my Maybelline Fit Me. This is the Hydrate and Smooth, and we're gonna need some music. Okay, I'm gonna move on to contour and conceal, and I'm gonna be using my Fenty Beauty matchsticks. I feel like I haven't used this in a while, so it's time to bring them out. I'm gonna be using Suede. I'm gonna be contouring with the darker shade. This one's Espresso. And I'm just gonna blend all this together. Okay, to brighten up my under eyes, I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and this one's in shade 30 or Cafe. I kind of want to do those little dots in like Instagram makeup tutorials, but I think I kind of ruined it already. And I'm just gonna apply a little to my eyelids as well. Okay guys, I'm gonna move on to setting my face, and I'm using my Laura Mercier loose setting powder in translucent. I'm just gonna use whatever's left to lightly set my lids. That's way too much. Don't use that much. Okay guys, I'm gonna move on to this amazing palette. I was thinking a little bit of orange and some purple and some blue. I'm gonna start using a really fluffy brush, and I'm gonna go into Hippie. It's a vibrant orange color. This color is amazing. I'm gonna be taking Hippie above my crease. Do you see that? Like, take a look at that. Take a look at that. Moving on, we're gonna go into a different color, and we're gonna be using Swag. Yeah, getting Swag on. That's a nice swaggish purple. To my, I don't even know what to call the parts of my eyes. I think I should definitely educate myself on that. We're just gonna be taking this. What do you call this part of your eyes? Outer eyelids, yeah. We're gonna be taking this towards the outer eyelids. Outer upper eyelids, whatever, you get it. So we're just gonna take this, and I'm making sure it doesn't go above the crease, and I'm just applying it in a V-like motion. Just taking this just about 2/3 of the way. 2/3? No. And I'm just taking this about 1/3 of the way. Next, I'm gonna go back into my concealer, and we're gonna cut our crease. I'm gonna cut my crease. Got one really nice cut crease and another ratchet looking one, but we're just gonna have to make both of them work. I'm gonna be taking Trans, and I'm just gonna be applying this to the middle of my lid. And I'm just gonna spritz my brush a little bit with my setting spray. And this one's by Pixie, and it's almost done. There's barely anything coming out. Well, there we go. Okay, that does help a lot. My application is not exactly flawless. I'm not applying the blue in a straight line. They're just kind of a little bit in, a little bit out, you know? While just leaving a little extra space towards this end for a different color. I'm thinking, I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to be using. My mind is telling me pink, my mind is saying no. I do have Spirit here. This one is a nice, a really light pink, silvery color. I think we're going to go with Spirit because I feel like it does make the most sense. I'm going to get a little bit into the blue. Just making a nice line. And to finish up the look, I'm gonna go back and apply Hippie, and I'm gonna just apply this to my lower lid for some color. Okay, and to add a little bit more color, I'm gonna go into DP, and this is a nice pink. It's just next to Hippie. I'm gonna be applying this over the orange color over Hippie just for a little more color. This pink is so vibrant, guys. We need it. I'm just gonna dust off all the setting powder and apply some lashes, and I'll be right back. I'm gonna go into my BH Cosmetics Define and Shade Contour Palette, and I'm just gonna be taking the darker shade, this one at the end, and I'm just gonna use that just to, you know, buff up my contour a little bit more. And before I move on to highlighting my face, I'm just gonna quickly apply some mascara to my bottom lashes and my top lashes as well. I'm gonna go into my I Like Your Face, and this one is by ColourPop. I'm gonna be using one of the highlighters. I'm gonna be using this one in the middle. Go ahead and set my makeup, and I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Makeup Mist and Set. Now that that's all dried up, I'm just going to go back in one more time with my highlighter. I don't really want to use blush, but I feel like I should. So I'm going to go into my BH Cosmetics. This is the Nude Blush 10 color palette. I'm going to be going into, let's see, something not so bright. I'm going to be using this one here. There are no names, just the one in the middle. Let's start a tiny bit of color, like a little bit not sure as to where I'm headed in the lipstick department. I kind of want to use pink, but I feel like I have a whole lot of colors going on, and I'm really tempted to just go nude, but we've come this far. We might as well go bold without being, you know, a masquerade. Decisions, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna start with my ColourPop liquid lipstick. This one is in Zipper, and I'm gonna use this just to outline my lips. I'm gonna go into one of my old matte lipsticks. This one is by Maybelline. It's a Vivid Matte Liquid. I'm just gonna apply this towards the center of my lips. Okay, and that's it. And I think I really love this combination. No, I couldn't have done a nude. I would have felt a little bit disappointed in myself. If you're gonna go bold, you must just, you know, go bold the whole way. And last but not the very least, I'm just gonna apply some highlighter to my tear duct just to brighten it up a little bit. Not like it's not bright enough, but you know, you can still always use a little bit extra. I'm gonna be using this color. This is Upgrade. And then let me upgrade you. That's pretty much what I know from that song. I'm just gonna apply just a little tiny bit to my tear duct. I'm totally using the wrong brush, but I'm lazy at this point. Oh, and one last thing, I just need to apply some highlighter to my brow bone. I can't believe I forgot. Okay, so that's it, guys. I am so in love with this look. I wish I had somewhere to go. That's the only problem here. I wish I had somewhere to go. I wish someone would take me somewhere.
I don't get it.
Okay, he doesn't get it. Alright. Anyways, guys,